Welcome my dear students and respected parents. I am Professor Jaiprakash Pitambare, Dean of Siagat Institute Engineering, taking care of training and placement activities for all engineering colleges under the umbrella of Siagat Institute. After spending almost 34 years in the industry, I decided to change my path from industry to institute with the only dedication in mind: let me support and help new generation. I always remember, I always believe that God helps those who help themselves. I tell you, I got excellent opportunity to start my second inning in Siagat Institute in 2003. Siagat Institute is really dynamic. They support, they give full freedom. That's the reason today I can confidently say whatever the dream I was carrying has come true. When I look back, I see that not less than 25,000 students of Siagat Institute today are working across the globe and making excellent career in the best corporate. My dears, I want to put up some good thoughts for you to take your appropriate decision. Knowing well, when parents and students are thinking to take admission, they always think, let's see how this institute is. Whether all the three parameters of this institute are really flying high or not. Let's check up. What they see, they want to understand the infrastructure of the institute. They want to understand the faculty of the institute, and they also want to understand the opportunity to make excellent career through campus placement. I'm very happy and proud to tell you, my dears, all these three parameters of Siagat Institute are flying high. Lush green ambience with excellent infrastructure, dedicated faculties. You will surprise to note, in Pune University, highest number of doctorates are working with Siagat Institute, and excellent opportunity to make a career because we are organizing not less than 200 campus drives per year. What else you want? Regarding Siagat Institute, under the umbrella there are 10 engineering colleges and all are having lush green ambience and excellent infrastructure, faculties, everything. And we at Central Placement Cell take care of all the students centralized. Knowing well, some students always think of going for higher education. We organize seminars, we organize interactions, and students can definitely find out whatever the best institute where they want to make a career and select the choice of their subject. There are around 22% students always think of going for higher education from Siagat Institute. One lot of students, that is almost 3%, who always think to start their own business or support their parents in the business scenario. For them, entrepreneurship skill need to be developed in the students. That's the reason we have developed a separate cell, entrepreneurship cell, who is taking care of that. So, remaining 75% of the students are always thinking to make excellent career in the best corporate. And for them, we work on two parameters. One, to develop their personalities. That means we want to develop then a global pair, globally employable. What it means, they must be excellent in communication skill, innovative thought process, logical reasoning, and etiquettes altogether. Over and above, the second parameter on which we work is developing excellent relationship with the best corporates, and our Campus Connect approach always helps us in a big way to organize lot many campus drives at Siagat Institute. We develop our students in all the fields because this is a need of time. If we go back to 2010, you will find the major corporates were always thinking that let me get new generation having excellent attitude and aptitude. The things are changing. We are in a competitive world. Every day the technologies are coming up. Why these new technologies are coming? Because that will help in improving the productivity, reducing the cost, and compete with the new era. So naturally, every best corporate always try hard to do what best they can do. Now, to give them appropriate qualitative students, it's our responsibility of the institute to develop them in almost all these areas. For example, today not only aptitude attitudinal parameter, but beyond that, they are expecting students must be excellent in C, C++, Java, Python, these technologies, and over and above, they must be well conversant with the new technologies. I tell you, my dears, Siagat is the only institute who takes care of each and every parameter which is demanded by the corporate. That's why today, if you consider Accenture, if you consider Cognizant, if you consider Infosys, we have made our own mark. Every year, not less than 2,500 students we place in such excellent corporate where they can make amazing career. My dears, everybody always feels that time is short, science infinite, and I must make my mark. That's why I'm requesting you all, think of Siagat. You will definitely make your mark as per your choice in the best way, best possible way. So wish you all the best. You're all welcome. Thank you.